Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Bitcoin US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has fallen in the last two sessions, losing 0.8% in the last session. The ATR remains in the low volatility area. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The ADX enters the negative area. The euro dollar pair has traded sideways in the last session. The ROC remains negative. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.1% in the last session. The RSI settles in the negative area.
Thank you, Greg, for your insightful ideas. And now let's review today's major economic events.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 GMT. The Japanese Leading Economic Index at 500 GMT. The German Trade Balance at 700 GMT. The Canadian unemployment rate at 1330 GMT. The U.S. wholesale inventories at 1500 GMT. And the U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1800 GMT.
That was today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices slipped after a much larger build in U.S. crude inventories than expected weighed on demand sentiment. Hong Kong's securities watchdog begins treating cryptocurrency trading platforms like traditional brokers. A meeting between U.S. President Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping should be delayed until December.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.